Okay, hello guys and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So I quickly want to introduce you to a feature on the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, it's when you don't know much about the course you want to study, you want to know more about it, what it entails, what you are to do, especially you are in Nigeria here. Are there professional certification? Is it viable? You get my point. What does the course entail? We have something called career and institution. It's like our own guidance and counseling in the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, because we know you have these needs. You need to know. You need some guidance. Okay, so yeah, to get DTW JAMB CBT app, go to Google Play Store or Apple Play Store to download. If you want to download on a laptop, okay, you can WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp details on the app. WhatsApp us to download. This is our WhatsApp number right here. When you download, you see it. Just click on it. You WhatsApp us. Okay, so all you need to do is come to career and institution. Come here to career guide. Okay, come to career guide. Let's say, for example, you want to search on a course on accounting. You can see it has several courses. If you want to know what it entails, click on any one of them. For example, let's say we click on accounting. You can see, you read everything on it. This is what it entails. Skills you should have, employment opportunities. You can work anywhere. Okay, and additional qualification. It tells you, oh, you can do ICANN. You can do, these are the things you can do that will make you, more, boost up your CV and all that. You get my point. So there are other courses. Let's check other courses. Okay, so let's see. What's this please do actuarial science. Okay, can you see this is on statistics? Nice. Wow. Okay, so you can actually even carry this. You can say this is a very lovely course. You can actually copy this. All right, then you can copy this, then go into find schools. So you find schools that you now, let us go to this actuarial science. So which schools? You can see these are the schools that do that course if you want to do the course. So this is how you try to navigate what you want to study on the DTW JAMB CBT app. Please, to access this feature, you need to activate your app with 4,000 naira. It's a one-time fee payment. It's not scam. It's for a whole year, and everything on the app works without the internet. Okay, so you can access your app, you can study, watch your videos, everything on the app, and have this lovely feature also. So you are blessed and destined to win. Please do get this and share and let your friends and family know about DTW series. You are blessed. You're destined to win. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Come to Him today. Thank you. Our WhatsApp details is on the app.